Okay, here we go. Spinnaker chocolate. I apologize for the torn package. I broke into it. Spinnaker is out of Seattle. They are a family operation. I have not met them. Well, I've probably met them a million years ago before I closed the chocolate garage, but I wasn't. They were just starting out, and so I I know they're a family operation and that they're in Seattle. And I went to their factory slash cafe just last month when I was out for the Northwest Chocolate Festival. Such a fun store to go into and see how they are specializing in some really neat drinking chocolates, different kinds of drinking chocolates, in addition to these bars. So you can get these bars, lots of different varieties, but they're also specializing in drinking chocolates, which is a special interest of mine right now. I love how they have organized their process for making drinking chocolate. In any case, I am showcasing their Tanzania, 70% Tanzania. So Tanzania, there's another maker, a Norwegian maker that is a 75% Tanzania, that is a very different flavor. So this particular one, incredibly fruit forward, very bright. As they describe it on their package, they say, like biting into a fresh mango, these Tanzanian cocoa beans have an exotic and delicious tropical fruit flavor. They definitely do, especially the way that they've roasted and made this particular formulation at 70%. The other bar is quite different, and I think it's really neat to compare the two. They both have different textures as well and different sort of forward flavors coming. This one is a lot of fun. It is aggressively fruity, and if you're into that, so folks who like Madagascar might really like this one. This is Kokoa Kamili from Tanzania, a wonderful organization that in the introduction I linked to their site so that you can see the kind of cooperative work that's going on there to make these delicious beans.